Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Cardi B's Lil Miss Drama tour stop at the Amarant Bank Arena got a taste of dancehall with a special performance from the king of dancehall himself, Vybz Kartel. In an Instagram post, the world boss penned, "Dreams are there to come true. Cardi B and Vybz Kartel, we had a drama and the bosses." Three of Jamaica's famed dancers, Dancing Rebel, Cher and Whining Machine, were also reveling in the moment after being tapped to join Vybz Kartel on stage. In a post on social media, Rebel expressed gratitude, saying, "Big up God, manifestation is truly something. So thankful for this experience. Vybz Kartel and his team, thank you. Cardi B, you're amazing. So proud of you." Cardi B has been a big promoter of dancehall culture over the years and has openly expressed her wish for doing a feature with Vybz Kartel. Now, Machel Montano Like a Boss documentary highlights the highs and lows of the Soca King. On Tuesday evening, scores of fans of the Soca King flocked Carib 5 in Kingston for the Jamaican premiere of the documentary. The film, which showed much of Michel's time getting ready for shows, performing with international acts and also finding himself, also brought to fore some of the lowest moments of his career. Now, back in 2000, Montano's Real Unity concert at the Shagorama's heliport, a platform accommodating VIP patrons, collapsed, injuring a number of them, which almost left the singer and his band bankrupt.
Some people look at me and they feel like, oh, he just win, he just keep winning everything, he's the boss, you know, and they don't really see the low moments. So I feel that I want them to especially look at the low moments and know that, you know, even somebody who you hold up on a pedestal or who you think has everything is going through rough things too, you know.
The documentary also highlighted a 2011 incident where the singer was found guilty by a Port of Spain magistrate of 5 criminal charges of assault and using obscene language during a fracas near the Zen nightclub in Port of Spain. Now over to Protege. His art of acceptance pays homage to his late grandmother and also tells the story of love and acceptance. Now on Tuesday, specially invited guests were treated to a private viewing of the album's visuals ahead of its release come Friday. The project, which is the Grammy-nominated singer's 7th studio release, sees him honoring his late grandmother on the track In Your Corner.
My grandma is the matriarch of my family. You know, she lived till 102 years old, and up until 98 she was functioning on top form. So big inspiration to me and my family. So I wanted to, you know what I mean, immortalize her.
Today shared that the 16-track project, which boasts collaborations from the likes of Steven and Junior Gong Marley, Massacre and Shensia, will also go on exhibition as part of a rollout of the album.
Well, we have the art pieces, so it doesn't matter time to make the music, go out there and do the work, and then we do a proper exhibit in Jamaica first. Make people come see the artworks, you know.
He also shared some of his favorites from the project.
In Your Corner is a, you know, really one at with feet with gong too. Is a, you know, one I really love too. Yeah. 1,000 Lashes.
My favorite, Something I Said, and Lucas, Mud. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.